Often it happens that your business or job fails to provide the monetary satisfaction that you crave for. Today in this video, I'll be discussing with you few monthly income plans that you can opt for in 2020. If that is something that you're interested in, then please keep watching. We must focus on one thing, and that is to get a fixed income despite the situation you are in. And for that, we must diversify into different instruments. So let's discuss. Systematic withdrawal plan is simply a way to redeem your money methodically from mutual funds once it is accumulated to a certain value. You can either set up an SWP 5 to 6 months before your goal or withdraw in proportion at intervals. We can't rely much on the dividend options since they are declared as per fund houses' wishes. So it is wise to go for the SWP option. The next one is interest from bank FD. Undoubtedly, it was the safest option that we were relying on. But after the Yes Bank crisis, you never know. Some small banks even offer 8.5 to 9% on their deposits. But they may be less stable as compared to large banks and government-owned banks. So large banks are your safest bet, but do keep an eye on the ongoings. The next one is interest from corporate FD. This is one option not many people are aware of. They are offered by NBFCs and housing finance companies. You should keep in mind to diversify when you're going for this option and only go with the high-ranking companies. The next one is government bonds. It's a safe option to earn regular income. You can also collate this option with other instruments to earn a regular income throughout the year. Long-term bonds are even tradable in the secondary market. Monthly income plans from mutual fund schemes. If you're looking for comparatively high liquidity and no lock-in period, then this one's for you. They fall under hybrid mutual fund category and are debt-oriented funds with an exposure of 70 to 80% to debt and rest in equities. But one piece of advice, it's not a very good option to rely on when you're looking for a steady monthly income because after all they are market linked and are based on dividends which are declared as per the profits of the company. Also keep in mind that dividend declaration is not SEBI mandated. Next one is post office schemes. Now monthly income plans by post office can be considered but by very conservative investors or a retired person. It comes with few constraints like low interest rate and a limit to the amount that you can invest. So invest wisely. Consult us today to create an ideal monthly income plan for you which balances moderately high returns with low risk profiles. Thank you so much for tuning in. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy investing!